Welcome guys, today's video review of the top 5 best cheap manual treadmills. If you are looking for the best cheap manual treadmills, you are in the right place. There are many products available to choose from the best cheap manual treadmills, each with different characteristics. To make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the top 5 best cheap manual treadmills reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Fitness Reality TR3000. One of the major drawbacks of cheap treadmills that tend to be smaller, no-fuss models is that they cannot hold more than around 220–240 pounds. However, this model can support someone who weighs up to 325 pounds with its sturdy alloy steel build. It can even support anyone up to this user weight limit for jogging and running. The 16 inches wide x 45 inches long belt allows a bit more room than other treadmills for taller and wider people. The model also has sensors that help you monitor your workout. Heart pulse pads allow people to monitor their heart rate during their workout. A 50 inches screen also helps you monitor workout reads. The treadmill is also very adjustable, in that it has pacer control that helps give different levels of difficulty. The treadmill has 3 levels of incline, from 8 to 13 degrees. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT7610. This electric model boasts a fairly high horsepower for the price range it's sitting in, with just over 1 horsepower. It can go up to 5 miles per hour, which is a good, solid jogging speed. The shock absorption system makes it especially good for runners looking for a compact treadmill that is budget-friendly for bad weather days. This model is also portable with transportation wheels, and it also folds for easy storage. It also has a light, space-saving design to go anywhere. The model also allows for a countdown start and pause feature on the LCD computer display. It records time, distance, speed, and calories, and does a scan. Number 3. XTERRA Fitness TR Folding Treadmill. For those looking for a full machine that still doesn't max the price out above $400, this XTERRA model is full of controls with an LCD display that reads speed, incline, time, distance, calories, and pulse. The full-featured feel comes with 12 preset programs to help you reach your fitness goals. 3 manual inclines also help increase the difficulty rating. Another perk about this model is the 16 inches by 50 inches running or walking surface, meaning you're getting the larger model feel without the price. Despite the increased size, this is a foldable treadmill for added storage convenience. It's no surprise that it's a bestseller on Amazon. Number 4. Goplus Under-Desk Treadmill. This list wouldn't be complete if we didn't include an under-desk treadmill. This no-fuss design fits perfectly under a desk, as it's only the walking area with no deck. It can even roll and be placed under other furniture when not in use. The model even comes with a remote control for easy handling while working. To make it even easier to control, it comes with 3 workout modes and 12 preset programs. This model is designed exclusively for walking while working. However, since it only goes up to 4 miles per hour. Number 5. Jusnova via Fortis Merax Treadmill for Home. The highlight of this Jusnova model is that it plays music out of dual speakers while you run or walk, using an MP3 divided by USB playback function. For anyone who absolutely cannot work out without their tunes, this is a wonderful feature to get you pumped for your workout. Another key feature is the 5 inches LED display screen that tells you your speed, distance, heart rate, and your calories burned, which is a good added feature at the price point. There are even 12 preset programs to help you reach your fitness goals. The treadmill also comes with a vacuum motor that reduces noise while running, so this is a good option for anyone with family or roommates who might dislike the noise of more conventional treadmills. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you found this video valuable, give it a like. If you know someone who needs to see it, share it. Leave a comment below with your thoughts. If you need more information or if you want the product price, please do check out the description. Thank you.